Okay. Here they are. It's June 2nd. Right there is, that's Pixie. That's the baby. There's Bella. Let's see. This is Lindy. This is number 3. Hi. There's number 2. There's number 1. Oh, and there's number 1 hanging upside down. And I think the baby wants to eat because she's on me. There's everybody on the play stand. I know you're hungry, huh? Hi, Lindy. No, that's not Lindy. That is number 1. Sorry. I'm getting all mixed up now. They all look alike.
Mom.
Yes, you all do, except for my beautiful Belle. Okay, let's see. There's number 1. There's number 3. There's Pixie. There's Lindy right there. And that must be number 2 over there. There's number 2. Ah, flying away. Oh, goodness. Gotta go get him.